Hello everybody, this is Sonya. I got happy mail. I got happy mail from Stephanie Gatton. Can I spell her name? Sorry, I hope that says that right, Stephanie. I've got happy mail. I'm excited. I'm going to open it. Can I open it? I haven't seen these parcels before. They must be new. Post office. I haven't been near the post office. I went there the other day and it was closed on Saturday. Oh, what have I got in here? My goodness me. Nice little bow. This is cool. Hope I've got the camera on, have I? Yeah, right. I was just too excited to get to this to see what I've got in here. It's nice to get parcels, isn't it? Now you've gone and done this up. Good girl. You have. Okay. Well, oh yes, I'll keep trying. I'll keep trying. I might have to give it a cut. Oh no, let's got it. I got it. Nobody panic. Nobody panic. Oh boy, what's in here? Oh. Oh wow. What's this bit? Sorry. This bit here. Dear Sonya, just so happy you and your hubby have your craft room in working order to craft to your heart's content. It's happiness. Stephanie, this is a big thank you for the big shot. Oh, it's all right. You didn't have to do that, darling. You won the big shot. You won the big shot. Look what I've got here. These are some Visifix, I think, that you iron onto your material. I've got a note in here. This is really pretty, isn't it? Part of the dress I cut off. Part of a dress I cut off. Oh yes, it's beautiful silk. It is, isn't it? And the colour. Oh, I love the colour. Beautiful silk. Thank you so much, Stephanie. That's so nice. Thank you, darling. You didn't have to worry about this. You won that thing. It was all fair and square. It was oh. This is really good. Oh, she packed it with that little card, and I'll have that. Thank you. And we've got a nice piece of what's the name? Calendar. Can't think what I'm saying here. Another bit of card. Sandpaper. Oh, good. I've got some sandpaper. Well, thank you. Oh, that's good. I can always use that. Thank you very much. Oh, a bit of sandpaper. Oh, that's a good idea, isn't it? Because you always need a bit of that, don't you? And in here we've got... This is something I can use in my books. Look. Probably get it. Oh, yes. This is off the wool. Oh, that's a good idea. Oh, I never thought of that. Oh, that's cool. Yes, thank you. I was just going to be putting some things in my sewing album. This'll go. Thank you very much. Stephanie, that is wonderful. Thank you, darling. That's some good idea. Love ideas. It says, look inside. Okay. This is nice. Oh, wow. What have we got inside? Let me see. Peep in here. Oh, look. Oh, look. Isn't that lovely? She sent me a dear little flower. Oh, look at that. Isn't that nice? Did you crochet that? Stephanie, did you crochet that? Isn't that pretty? I'm going to put that in my book. I'll put that in my album too. Thank you very much. Or I might keep that on something of mine if I'm not going to something I'm not going to get, I might sell something, so I'll keep that on. I will keep that. Thank you so much, darling. That is so nice. All these little parcels. This is just absolutely cool. It is. Wow. It says, dear Sonya, you can use this for a number of things. Even cutting out balloons. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. A hole. And oh, well, that's cool. Because this is good stencil. And it would be a good thing for doing balloons, since she's got lots of ideas here for me. That's good. Thank you. Oh, this side, this went through to the back. That is a good idea. Well, I probably need that after getting that whole thing stuck a while ago. I might need that. Thank you. How'd you know that was going to happen? And I'll need a hole doing thing. Thank you very much. Oh, this is fun. I do love this. It's good fun. I've got another bag with another little parcel. stamps. Oh yes, I do love stamps. Thank you so much, Stephanie. These are so awesome, darling. They're beautiful. Thank you. And she often sends me a picture of the stuff that she's made on my email. So it's really good, though, because, I mean, anybody's quite welcome to do that because I love to see your work. I really do. These are really nice. Thank you so much. Collected them off letters, I guess, because this is how much it costs now for a stamp, isn't it? It's not cheap, hey. I'm going to put those in with... I'll leave it there for the time being, but I don't want to lose them. I'm going to put them in with the others. I've got a packet with some stamps in. Now in this parcel here, this is lovely fun. I do like this. We have got, what'd she say? If you don't like it, put it in the bin. Oh goodness me. This fibre was once dark green. I did reverse dyeing with bleach. Oh, okay. That's cool. I love green. One of my favourite colours. No, I definitely will keep that. I definitely will use it with something. It's a really nice piece of, looks like gabardine. Really got, it might not be because it's only got, but it's a really nice piece of fabric. Really nice, like suit sort of fabric. Men's suits and ladies' suits were made out of. Pants and things. Really nice, thank you. I will put that in my... Look, I've got all these. Oh boy. Crochet cotton, mauve and white, made in Japan, pink. Pink and white, plain white. The pale pink was made in France and the green was made in England. Goodness. That's not... I love that green. I love all them. Gee, these are really nice, Stephanie. Thank you very much, darling. I love these. You know I do love this sort of stuff, don't you? I do love these to use. These are really nice. Thank you so much. So the pink and the pale pink and the bone, those two there are from France. Yeah, well, they're very, very fine and really pretty. Really like soft, really soft. These ones here, the green from England. Green was made, and that is really soft too. These are really, really nice. Thank you so much for giving me some of your bits and pieces. That's very kind of you. And these ones are from Japan. That would be the white one, and these two here. These have a texture, and that's fine because they look really good. I mean, and everything does. But these ones here have got they're really fine, soft sort. They're really nice. I like them, Stephanie. Thank you so much, darling. That's very kind of you for giving me those. And that piece goes in there. Okay. Now, another piece of card. I love a piece of card. Some of this is a crochet thread. Really pretty. Love that. It's variegated. I do like that. That's nice, isn't it? So you can make something nice out of that. Make a nice doily or something if you want to crochet the doily. Oh, look, I've got, look at this. I got velvet. I've got Velcro. My youngest daughter used to call this Velvet Crow. When she was little and she couldn't tie shoes, we got her some with Velcro on them. And she used to call them Velvet Crow. I hope she doesn't see this and say, Mum, what are you telling everybody that for? But she did. She said it was Velvet Crow. So, I like it. I do. I love this stuff. It's just a thing to use for lots of different things. Thank you very much. And I got buttons. My favourite. I got buttons. Oh, boy. Thank you so much. I love buttons. I love everything to do with anything pretty and crafty, and you know that. Look at these, aren't these gorgeous? I've got bells. Oh, look. Okay. For jingling. I put it on the cat and he doesn't go outside. Aren't they pretty? And they have a beautiful sound, don't they? Make a beautiful sound. Thank you so much for all those. Aren't they lovely? Thank you. I hope it just has not left you without stuff. I don't... You know, I mean, it's very kind of you to share with me. I really appreciate that. It's very kind. Thank you so much, Stephanie. I love them, all of them. There's a lot of... I don't use a lot of these, and I probably should, you know, use the gold ones with the... And there'll be something that I can find out there to do with them. There'll be something I can find to do with them. I don't... I've got You got to keep them. You can't get rid of them. You just do something with them. Look at this. Oh, she's gave me this beautiful stuff here. Look. Oh, wow. Thank you. This is a beautiful piece. And this bit. Oh, Stephanie, thank you, darling. Oh, look at that. These would be nice for me. And look, she's got lots of green. Look at all the green. I do love all the green. Must make something green, hey? Here's another piece. Oh, this piece is put together a bit. Look. Did you do that, or did you buy that at the shops where people throw out their work and they probably shouldn't? But that's nice. Then we can grab some. Oh, that's really awesome. Thank you so much. I do love these. I love all these colours. They would make a lovely bag or something. Cover for a book. Lovely cover for a book. Wow. Thank you. And all these pretty ones here. They're all pretty, and they all go together, don't they? Look good. Don't they look good? I love making leaves. And I've only got one dye thing, like a thick one that'll make a leaf, so I might have to get buy myself another one day. This is nice, isn't it? Really pretty. Thank you so much. Oh, I've got all these goodies. You really spoilt me, you know. You've given me all this beautiful stuff. Another piece of card. I love the card. And we've got instructions for this one. Where's the... Get through here. Open it up. Can't get it in. I can't get in. What have I done? Okay, I stuck it down again. Oh, look at this. What have she got? Oh, she's done some applique. I love applique. Absolutely one of my favourite things to do. And she's already put it onto the... She ironed it onto here. Hang on, I better read it. No, she didn't send me a note. She didn't send me a note. This is a stuff that you iron on. Oh, okay. So you iron that onto your piece of fabric. That's why she sent me all these leaves. Look at that. I got all the green fabric to put on these, and she's already drew it out for me. I'm a bit spoiled, aren't I? I'll have a go at that. I do like it. I do love that applique. Thank you so much. You can either leave it like that either too, or you can sew around it. And some people used to put a bit of, I don't know, what's it called? Some sort of, something like perfect pearls or something. Anyway, they put some sort of thing around the edge of it so that it'd be, have edging on it. It'd be really nice. Okay, there I've got oh, these are nice pieces of paper. I thought they were little envelopes to start with, but they're cool. They're cool. Thank you very much, and I love this too. I do like this. Wow, I like that. You've done that. You've dyed that. That's really nice, isn't it? I don't know how you did that. You didn't tell me, but it's okay. I'm sure we can talk about it. And I've got all these pieces of card that I can do stuff with. And this is just lift the sticky, she said. These are the dies you gave me with a big shot. Oh, are they? That's nice. And you've been cutting it. You cut it out with these. Wow. Oh, that looks really good, doesn't it? Whatever you used. This is nice. This paper. Oh, that went through there good then, didn't it? And the moon and the stars. Oh, Stephanie, thank you, darling. That looks so good. Thank you. You didn't have to do that, but it is so lovely that you did. I mean, I really appreciate all this beautiful stuff that you've sent me. I don't know what to say. I feel really, I feel very blessed, darling. Thank you so much for sending me this lovely stuff. But, you know, lovely stuff. It's beautiful things, I should say. I really like every bit of it, and hopefully I'll put it all in a good place, you know, so it's not all over the table everywhere, and I can use bits and pieces when I come to them. So thank you so much for watching, everybody, and thank you very much, Stephanie. I really love it, darling. You have a good day, and continue on with your crafting, and because it's so good, isn't it? So good for our souls. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.